Why your YouTube channel is not growing even after uploading consistently. Have you ever looked at a channel with fewer videos than yours, worse editing than yours, and somehow they are growing much faster? Meanwhile, you've uploaded consistently for months, followed every YouTube tip you've had, and your views are still stuck. If that sounds familiar, don't worry. The truth is that most channels don't fail because of poor content. They fail because they misunderstand how YouTube actually works. Today I'm going to show you some of the biggest reasons channels stay small and what successful creators do differently. By the end of this video, you'll have a much clearer idea of why your channel isn't growing and exactly what you need to focus on next. One of the biggest mistakes small creators make is creating content based on what they want to talk about rather than what viewers want to watch. Many creators open YouTube and ask themselves, what should I upload today? Successful creators ask, what are people already searching for today? There's a huge difference. YouTube is not a storage platform, it's a discovery platform. People come to YouTube looking for solutions, answers, entertainment, education, inspiration, and opportunities. When your video solves a problem people already have, YouTube has a reason to recommend it. Before creating your next video, search your topic on YouTube. Look at the videos getting views. Look at the questions people ask in the comments. Look at what creators are repeatedly making videos about. That's where demand exists. Number 2, following your passion is not enough. This may sound harsh, but passion alone doesn't guarantee views. Many creators believe, if I enjoy making the content, viewers will naturally come. Unfortunately, that's not how YouTube works. Viewers don't reward effort, they reward value. A creator may spend 20 hours editing a video and still get 50 views. Another creator may spend 2 hours creating a simple but highly relevant video and get 50,000 views. The market decides value, not the creator. That's why understanding audience needs is more important than creating content you personally find interesting. The third mistake that's affecting your channel is that your title is probably too weak. Many creators spend hours editing videos and only a few minutes writing titles. This is a huge mistake. Your title is not there to describe your video. Your title exists to sell the click. Think about it. People don't see your content first. They see your packaging first. If your title doesn't create curiosity, promise a benefit, or solve a problem, people keep scrolling. Instead of, my experience growing a YouTube channel. Try. Why most YouTube channels never reach 1,000 subscribers. Instead of, let's talk about monetization. Try 3 monetization mistakes costing small creators money. A stronger title can completely change the performance of a video. Fourth reasons, your thumbnails may be confusing people. Most thumbnails fail because they try to say too much. The purpose of a thumbnail is not to explain everything. Its purpose is to make people curious enough to click. Look at large channels. Most successful thumbnails contain very few words. Some contain none at all. One image, one idea, one emotion. That's it. Whenever you create a thumbnail, ask yourself, can someone understand this in less than 2 seconds? If the answer is no, simplify it. Let's talk about the fifth mistakes. You're starting videos the wrong way. Let's be honest, most viewers don't care about your intro. They don't care about your logo animation. They don't care how many times you say, welcome back to my channel. What they care about is whether this video will help them. The first 30 seconds determine whether most people stay or leave. Instead of introducing yourself immediately, introduce the problem. Instead of talking about the channel, talk about the viewer. Give them a reason to stay. Promise a result. Create curiosity, then deliver on that promise. Another reason is this. You're changing topics too often. Imagine YouTube sees these uploads. One video about football, one about crypto, one about relationships, one about politics, one about YouTube growth. Now YouTube has a problem. Who exactly should it recommend your content to? The algorithm learns through patterns. The more focused your content is, the easier it becomes for YouTube to identify your audience. Many successful creators become known for one thing before expanding into other topics. Focus creates momentum. Momentum creates growth. Number 7, you're ignoring what the data is telling you. Most creators check views. Very few study viewer behavior. That's where the real answers are. Open your analytics and pay attention to click-through rate, average view duration, audience retention, returning viewers. These metrics tell a story. If people click but leave quickly, your content isn't matching expectations. If people stay but don't click, your packaging is weak. Analytics reveal where the problem actually exists. Most creators guess, successful creators measure. The number 8, you're copying big creators the wrong way. Many creators try to imitate large YouTubers. That's not necessarily bad. The problem is they copy the wrong things. They copy editing styles, camera angles, transitions, effects. Meanwhile, they ignore what truly matters: topic selection, audience psychology, viewer retention, packaging. The biggest lesson from successful channels isn't how they edit, it's how they think. Study their strategy, not just their presentation. This next one is very important. That is, you haven't made enough videos yet. This is probably the hardest truth for many creators. Most channels quit before they have enough data to succeed. A lot of creators upload 10 videos and decide YouTube isn't working. Others quit after 20, some stop after 30. Meanwhile, many successful creators spent months or years learning before their breakthrough happened. Every upload teaches you something. Every video gives YouTube more information. Every mistake improves your future content. Growth often happens much later than people expect. Look, the most important question to ask before every video, before uploading anything, ask yourself one question. Why would a complete stranger care about this? Not your friends, not your family, not your subscribers. A complete stranger. If you can't answer that question clearly, your video idea probably needs work. The channels that grow fastest consistently answer that question better than everyone else. Conclusion: if your channel isn't growing right now, don't automatically assume YouTube is against you. More often than not, growth problems come from poor topic selection, weak packaging, confusing channel direction, or failing to understand audience behavior. The good news is that all of these problems can be fixed. You don't need expensive equipment. You don't need thousands of subscribers. You don't need a viral video. You simply need to understand what viewers want and consistently create a content that serves them better. Now, I'd like to hear from you. What's the biggest challenge holding your channel back right now? Let me know in the comments and let's grow together. Comment below, share this video, and subscribe for more growth strategies.